Recording which I have shared with you might have some that videos might not have that level of perfection. I mean to say that that videos may not have that starting to end, or hasn't get edited for the removal of the background noise. So I think it's okay. Few of you have gone offline. Anurag and Sai have gone offline. All is fine. Whenever you are creating any kind of registration on any website, just try to create the complete profile there. जब भी आप किसी भी वेबसाइट पे अपनी प्रोफाइल बना रहे हैं या यूजर रजिस्ट्रेशंस कर रहे हैं, just try to provide complete profile. It will help you to create a complete page, so you can have a trustworthy and transparent profile presence on that website. So there are two ways that way you can get two links from the same website. One link you can get from your profile page. If profile page is allowing you to share your website URL, you can add your website URL from the profile page, so that profile page will give you a backlink. And apart from that, whatever activities you will do on that website, if you are doing forum participations, or if you are doing discussions on the shiksha.com, or you are submitting your classified ad on OLX, or if you are submitting your product on Amazon, or if you are answering question answer on Yahoo Answers, if you are submitting your website in Yellow Pages, so that page will also give you link. India Mart, if you are doing free listing on India Mart, so you may have two links from the same website. So that's why I'm asking you to, whenever you will register on any website, just make sure to register with complete profile. So how was the experience, Satya? Like it was easy or tough, or okay, Satya, how was your experience while for searching these websites and then registering for your presence? How you feel that? Is it easy? Some sites are easy. Yes, some sites are easy, and some sites are a little bit tricky. You have to find the way. You have to exactly, yes, you have to prove yourself that you are the genuine person. You are the right business. You are the right person to register on that website. Then only you will be able to register. So that's the fantastic Satya, congrats, you have done. Any of you, आप लोग में से और किसने किया है? साकेश, प्रदीप, भरद्वाज, फहीन, welcome Satya, you have done awesome job. That's fantastic. So next thing what you have to do, I will share you the website details. Like whenever you are doing, I will share you one directory submission details, one article, one press release, one classified ad, one business listing details. So different kind of content I will share you for the same website. You have to submit there, right? You have to submit there. Or if your own website is ready to promote, you can do it for your own website as well. Is your own website ready to promote? You have logistic website, as far as I remember. Not yet ready. Okay, so at the end of the session, I will give you the content of varieties of content to be submitted on different kind of website, and I will also give you that which content will go on what kind of website, right? If you are doing directory submission, there will be a different kind of content. It is article, then there will be a lengthy article for that website. If it is a classified, then hardcore sales pitch will be there in the classified website. If it is a press release, then like a press kind of content, like if you are exposing some news kind of content, you have to present news kind of content. If you are doing business listing, you have to provide that product details and service details and business details, business addresses. So for the different kind of website, you have to submit different kind of product. And like I will give you a different kind of content details for different websites that you will submit, right? So what about others? What about others? Satya, can you help others to get things done? ये जो चीजें आपने की है, आप आज की क्लास के बाद या वीकेंड्स पे बाकी लोगों को भी हेल्प कर सकते हो इस तरह के रिसोर्सेज फाइंड करने में. Okay, nice, thank you. So should we start with a new topic? Are we ready for the new topic today? Okay, that's fantastic. Okay, what was the expected new topic? Adword. That's nice. Thank you. Thank you. It was the adword. Eagerly waiting. Let's start. Let's start for the adword. We are going to start adword. And regarding the recording on the same web page, jo web page I have shared with you, on the same web page I will keep uploading the next recording. Is it all okay with all of you? Is it fine? सारी recording एक ही पेज पे आपको मिल जाएगी. Okay. So let's start with the search engine marketing. Let's start with the search engine marketing. Search engine marketing. When I'm saying search engine marketing, I'm talking about any search engine. It may be Google, it may be Bing, it may be Yahoo or any other search engine. When I'm saying generic search engine marketing, I'm talking about any search engine, not a particular Google, right? So on any search engine, when you are doing any searches, let's suppose what you would like to search. We have started with the RO, so that's why I'm just continuing with the RO example. Oh, would you like me to take any other example? Just give me. If you want me to take any other example, just let me know. Otherwise, I'm taking that same example here, RO services in Noida. I'm just searching RO services in Noida. Right? So we are going to know right now. अभी तक हम लोगों ने क्या सीखा है कि अगर अपनी वेबसाइट को इन प्लेसेस पे लेके आना है, if you want your website to appear here, then you have to do these on page, off page, directory submissions, local listing. You have to do all these activities. This is called SEO. अभी तक हम लोगों ने SEO सीखा है. Now we are going to discuss कि अगर मुझे अपनी वेबसाइट को यहाँ पे लेके आना है, so can you feel the difference? यहाँ और उस स्पेस में क्या डिफरेंस है? Can you feel the difference? Okay, thank you, I'm continuing. So can you feel the difference if you are doing, if your website is appearing in this place and if your website is appearing at this place? Ma'am, one of you have selected the paid ad. Yes, the ad which I have selected is the paid advertisement. Paid advertisement means you have to pay for the clicks. Who has to pay for the clicks? Who has to pay for the clicks? Visitors or the website owner? Who has to pay for the clicks? Who will click on these ads or website owner? Exactly, Faheen, very right. Anurag, congrats. Thank you. Thank you for answer. Website owner. As a website owner, if you are ready to pay for the clicks, then you can manage your ad at these places, right? So this is called paid placement. The generic term इसमें हम लोग कहते हैं search engine marketing. When you are managing your paid placement in the search engine. Search engine marketing is managing your paid placement in the search engine. Managing your paid placement in search engine. Any search engine, it can be any search engine. So can you give me some advantage of paid placement? What can be the advantage of having the paid placement in search engine? सर्च इंजन में अगर मुझे पेड प्लेसमेंट करना है तो उसका क्या क्या एडवांटेज मुझे मिल सकता है? व्हाट कैन बी द एडवांटेज ऑफ हैविंग द पेड प्लेसमेंट इन सर्च इंजन? ये पेड प्लेसमेंट में क्या क्या फायदा मुझे हो सकता है? इफ एनी ऑफ यू? More clicks, yes. Promotion, more clicks, more visitors, exactly. Yes. What else? और क्या हो सकता है? more clicks, more visitors. Yes. So you got the point. You got the point. But systematically you can say that इससे अच्छी मार्केटिंग क्या हो सकती है when someone is looking for your product and your website is appearing at the top of their result. Let's suppose you are looking for some product. Someone is looking for RO services. Someone is looking for, let's suppose someone is looking for buy Kent RO online. If someone is looking for buy Kent RO online, right? And when you do the searches, generally जब आप Google में use करते हो तो आप searches कब करते हो? When you are looking for that product and services. So when someone is looking for your product and services, at that time your website is appearing at the top. Your website is not appearing at the end, that your website is appearing on the top. So this can be the best kind of advertisement. This can be the, like, it's called inbound marketing. It's called when some user is taking the initiative to reach you, and then at that point of time your website is appearing as an option. जैसे एक होता है कि होल्डिंग आपने लगा लिया, सब लोग देख रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे आप टारगेट क्या कर रहे हो? जो बंदे आपके प्रोडक्ट को एक्टिवली प्रोएक्टिवली सर्च कर रहे हैं, हु इज टेकिंग द इनिशिएटिव टू सर्च योर प्रोडक्ट? you are reaching to the customers or customer are reaching to you? Customers, who is taking the first step to reach your business? आप कस्टमर के पास जा रहे हो या कस्टमर आपको खोजते हुए आपके पास आ रहे हैं इन दिस एडवर्टीजमेंट? Whether it is outbound or inbound, customer, yes, customer is taking the first step. Customer is taking that, customer is coming to our website, customer is requesting for the information, customer is looking for some answers, customer is showing some interest in your product and services. So this kind of marketing is called inbound marketing. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में ऐसी कोई भी मार्केटिंग जहां पे कस्टमर फर्स्ट एक्शन लेता है, पहली बार कस्टमर इंटरेस्ट शो करता है, कस्टमर, यू नो दैट कि यू आर रीचिंग टू दोज कस्टमर्स, देन इट इज कॉल्ड इनबाउंड मार्केटिंग. So here you are deciding that ki these are my targeted keywords, and whenever customer will take the first step to write the keywords or search for those keywords, your website will appear at the top. That's why it's the most effective marketing. जो ROI, if you will calculate the ROI different channels, ROI SEO में जितना पैसा लगाया, टाइम लगाया, उससे कितना रिटर्न आ रहा है, एंड PPC पे जितना पैसा लगाया उससे कितना रिटर्न आ रहा है, फेसबुक एड पे पैसा लगाया उससे कितना रिटर्न आ रहा है, ईमेल पे पैसा लगाया उससे कितना रिटर्न आ रहा है. इफ यू विल calculate the ROI, so AdWord or search engine marketing or PPC, or when it's especially search engine marketing, when people are taking the initiative to search for your product, this kind of marketing is one of the best performing marketing. इसका ROI comparatively ज़्यादा होता है बाकी दूसरे marketing से, because at rest of the places you are approaching to the customers. In email case, email आप भेज रहे हो, like you are pushing your email messages to your customers, so sometime email is outgoing marketing. But यहाँ पे you are taking, customer is taking the first step to search for you, your product is in customer's top of the mind, your product might be, your customer is looking urgently for your product. अभी अगर मुझे let's suppose विजयवाड़ा जाना है, तो I will book tickets or plane tickets or aeroplane tickets or train tickets or bus tickets. I am in hurry, I want the best deals in as soon as possible. So जो भी options मुझे इंटरनेट पे दिखेंगे, I will first go and explore the right option for me. So this make difference, that approach will differentiate AdWord from rest of the marketing, rest of the digital marketing channels. And the best is that in digital marketing, and especially Google, the number of searches, the search volume is very huge. The number of 200 billion searches happening per month or per day. I'm not figure wise, I'm not 100% sure, but you can imagine the number of searches happening on the Google. Any idea how many number of searches happens on the Google per day? Any idea? Per day Google में कितने searches होते हैं? Many. Oh my God, Satya. Yes, you haven't counted the zero. You have just embedded all the zeros, billions. So far, 30 trillion URL online on the average. They crawl 20 billion of those. Google answer 100 billion searches. You can say that. 100 billion searches per month. This is the figure. 100 billion searches per month in Google only. And Google share there are so many other search engine as well. Google के अलावा और भी दूसरे search engine भी हैं. So you can imagine the volume. Yes, 30 trillion total, but 100 billion searches per month. So you can imagine the volume, and so many people are taking first step to reach their like businesses. वो अपने जिस प्रोडक्ट को उनको सर्च करना है उस प्रोडक्ट के लिए वो कस्टमर पहला स्टेप ले रहा है. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू द कस्टमर्स डोर एंड नॉकिंग देयर डोर कि ओके मेरा प्रोडक्ट ले लो, मेरा प्रोडक्ट ले लो. Yes, it may have increased. Definitely, that these number is increasing every single day. The number of Google user, the number of search engine user, the number of YouTube user, the number of internet user is increasing every single day. So that is the scope. That is the that you can imagine कि कितना बड़ा scope है advertisement का. And because people are using the Google, businesses are ready to pay for that placement. अगर people number of searches बहुत कम होंगी, people will not pay for the placement. TV advertisement is so costly because people watch TVs. Radio advertisement is so costly because people listen radio. Print ad or newspaper advertisement is so costly because people or audience or your customers is reading that newspapers. So in the same way, if your customer is using Google, that the per click cost is going to increase every single day in the Google as well. And next fantastic stats I would like to share with you, that you can imagine how big the Google company. Can you imagine कि Google कितना बड़ा company है, कितने पैसे, कितना revenue उनका है? 40,000 searches query every second. Latest stats. That's fantastic. You can imagine that. Her second 40,000 customers are coming to Google to search anything, to search something. So that is one of the reason that that advertisement is so popular and so effective and so performing on Google. And next stat is कि Google क्या 80% revenue, Google generate 80% of its revenue from AdWord only. You can imagine कि कितना पैसा लोग Google को दे रहे हैं. Google have lot of other product. Google have G+, Google have Gmail, Google have YouTube, YouTube is now also, YouTube advertisement is also part of AdWord now. Google के जितने भी प्रोडक्ट हैं उस प्रोडक्ट पे अगर एडवर्टीजमेंट करना है तो there is only one video that is AdWord. गूगल के जितने पार्टनर वेबसाइट हैं, जितने के गूगल के जितने अदर दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, इवन एंड्रॉइड का गूगल ऐप स्टोर, गूगल स्टोर, व्हाट इज इट? गूगल के मोबाइल ऐप के स्टोर को क्या कहते हैं? या गूगल प्ले स्टोर. यस, प्ले स्टोर. एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस एडवर्टीजमेंट, जीमेल पे जो ऐड आती है, हैव यू सीन दैट? जीमेल पे भी ऐड आती है. जीमेल पे आप जब मेल खोलते तो ऊपर में ऐड आती रहती है. yes, play store, yes, play store, email, gmail पे advertisement, and that YouTube पे advertisement. If you are using any Google product, the advertisement on that product will be maintained or managed by AdWord only. And AdWord is the highest revenue generator for the Google. Google का 80% रेवेन्यू जो है, दैट फिगर माइट हैव इंक्रीज्ड एज मच, लाइक वो फिगर भी अब आज की डेट में चेंज हो गया होगा कि गूगल के का सारा पैसा, मोस्ट ऑफ द पैसा जो गूगल जनरेट करता है वो एडवर्ड से ही करता है. So these are the some fantastic things, and for you guys, you are that upcoming you might be interested in creating the career in digital marketing. For you guys, I would like to share that even in the digital marketing, if you are going into the digital marketing में भी सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा, अगर if people are ready to pay, is for the paid advertisers who can manage the paid advertisement of the company. एसईओ का की स्टार्टिंग सैलरी और पीपीसी की स्टार्टिंग सैलरी में डिफरेंस होता है. एंड एज एसईओ का जो ग्रोथ है comparatively PPC का ग्रोथ उसका ज़्यादा फास्ट होता है. And PPC, if you have that certificate on Google AdWord certified है, and if you have really command over the paid advertisement or Google AdWord, there is so much demand of advertising professional in the companies. Almost every company is looking for the person who can manage their paid placement. So the career wise, it's a very lucrative career. The career wise, the money is you can say that पूरे digital marketing में सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा अगर किसी field में है तो वो paid advertisement में है. And paid advertisement में AdWord is the king of all paid advertisement. Because if you will start paid advertisement, first thing you start with the AdWord. So career wise, it's very fantastic thing. If you are interested in if you are interested in learning PPC, there are so many things there are so many places you can learn from, but Google provide a certificate in paid advertisement as well. So you can go for the Google certification, Google paid ad certification, that is called GAP. That is called GAP, Google Advertising Professionals. That is called Google Advertising Professionals. AdWord certificate exam. Yes. So you guys can explore these places as well. To be, if you are if you're planning to have a career in these, so you can go for GAP certification as well. That is called GAP, Google Advertising Professional certification. Sounds interesting? So yes. And the next advantage of paid advertisement is in SEO you have to write a lot. In SEO, if you are doing the search engine promotions, search engine optimizations promotion, you have to write a lot. You have to write article, you have to write from press release, you have to write classified advertisement, you have to write forum. If you are going to the participate in the forum, you have to write forum discussions, you have to do blog comments. So writing is like a very important component of search engine optimizations. So in India especially, so most of the people are not very much interested in writing. In paid ad, if you are going for the paid advertisement, your writing skill is limited to writing the ad copies and optimizing the landing page. Writing the ad copies means have you heard about ad copy? पहले ad copy के बारे में नाम सुना है पहले कभी भी? This is called ad copy. This is called ad copy. If your basic requirement of writing is writing these kind of ad copy, this is called ad copy. So the first your writing skill is required to writing the ad copies. So ad copy has to be compelling, has to be that interesting enough to get the maximum click, but you need not to write to support your promotion. Ad copy के अलावा generally you will go when person will land on this page, एक तो ad copy लिखना होता है, दूसरा जब आपके ad पे क्लिक करके बंदा जिस पेज पे पहुंच रहा है वो पेज, that page should be optimized, that page should be interesting enough to give you the lead. So your writing requirement will be limited to writing the ad copy and optimizing the landing page. So here comparatively less writing requirement is there. So how many of you have writing skill, writing interest? आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों को writing में genuine बहुत ज़्यादा interest है? Just write writing. Just if you have guys interest in writing, आप लोग को writing में अगर interest है तो write. Satya has interest in writing. Very good. Faheen has also interest in writing. So same Samuel has also interest in writing. So if you guys have interest in writing, you can do very fantastic in digital marketing. That so many people have lot of digital marketing skill, but they don't have writing skill. So they lack in the writing. Digital marketing, you are doing all kind of marketing via writing only. डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में आप अपनी सारी की सारी बातें राइटिंग के लाइक राइटिंग कम्युनिकेट करके ही बता सकते हो. देयर इज नो वन फेस टू फेस टॉकिंग टू यू. You cannot talk to your customers face to face. You have to communicate all of your ideas, trust and personality while given by writing only. So डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का जो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग स्किल्स तो आप सीख रहे हो कि एडवर्ड कैसे करते हैं, एसईओ कैसे करते हैं, पीपीसी कैसे करते हैं, बट इन सब के साथ जो एक एडेड स्किल चाहिए वो दैट इज द राइटिंग स्किल चाहिए. राइटिंग स्किल अगर आपकी अच्छी है तो यू कैन डू वंडर्स इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट, राइटिंग स्किल्स के अलावा इफ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव एडिशनल स्किल्स यू कैन वर्क ऑन योर डिजाइनिंग स्किल. कि बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जो हम इमेजेस, ग्राफिक्स और इंफोग्राफिक्स के थ्रू कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. सो इफ यू हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ डिजाइनिंग स्किल दैट इज आल्सो गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. So apart from the digital marketing, writing and designing skill is the added skill which can give you extra advantage over the others. So आज के डेट में कहीं पे भी हायरिंग होती है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में तो सबसे पहले लाइक दे मे टेस्ट योर इंग्लिश, दे मे टेस्ट योर राइटिंग स्किल. So basic writing skill has to be very clear, has to be very little bit of foundation of writing skill must be there. So if the person who don't have writing skill or don't want to write or have no interest in writing, don't be disappointed. You can just practice it. That writing skill is the practicable things that you can own over a period of time. It's not like people don't born with this skill. Over a period of time you can learn it. So it's very much learnable skill. So don't be afraid about that. You can start learning and you can achieve that. You can achieve that skill very fast, very soon by practicing. So that is the basic of SEO. And that other advantage includes that if you are doing paid advertisement, if you are doing PPC or AdWord, you can start your ad instantly. अभी मैं अकाउंट अभी सेटअप करूंगी, अभी पैसे स्टार्ट देना शुरू करूंगी, मेरी एड अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. बट इन द एसईओ इट टेक्स सम टाइम. एसईओ में क्या होता है कि गूगल का क्रॉलर आपकी वेबसाइट पे आएगा, क्रॉल करेगा, इंडेक्स करेगा, देन रैंकिंग में आने के चांसेस होंगे. रैंकिंग में भी चांसेस तभी होंगे जब आपको रिलेवेंट एंड अथॉरिटी वेबसाइट से बैकलिंक मिल रहा हो एंड जिस कीवर्ड से आप टारगेट कर रहे हो, आप सही कीवर्ड से टारगेट कर रहे हो. So SEO is a time taking process. PPC is a fast, like instant process, right? SEO is a time taking process, but PPC is an instant process. Some of you has left. Anurag has left. So that if you are doing PPC, you can start your ad instantly, you can start getting clicks instantly, you can start getting leads instantly. So this is a very fundamental difference between SEO and PPC. Next important difference between the SEO and PPC is that if you want to change the ad copy, अगर आप ये एड कॉपी में अभी चेंज करना चाहते हो तो पीपीसी में आप जो भी चेंजेस करते हो वो चेंजेस तुरंत रिफ्लेक्ट होती है. Means you will change the title, you will change the URL, you will change the descriptions, that whatever you will do the changes, that changes will instantly reflect in your ad. वो तुरंत का तुरंत रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. You can change the keywords you are targeting. कीवर्ड्स आप चेंज कर सकते हो, कीवर्ड को पॉज कर सकते हो, नया कीवर्ड ऐड कर सकते हो, नया लैंडिंग पेज ऐड कर सकते हो. सो व्हाटएवर चेंजेस यू विल डू इन पेड ऐड, that change reflect instantly, while in SEO all these changes first crawled by Google, then indexed by Google, then it will start reflecting in the search engine result page. So this is the basic difference. You cannot do instant changes in your changes in SEO will not reflect instantly, right? So what happened to Anurag? All of you can listen my voice. सारे लोग सुन रहे हैं मेरी आवाज? Yes, Satya can listen, Sai can listen, Faheen can listen, Sakesh can listen, Semal can listen, Satya, Bhanu, everyone is listening. That's fine. That's fine. Anurag is also back. That's fantastic. So you understand that now what do you feel that AdWord is right things to do? Do you feel that it's worth learning? How many of you are interested in learning the Adword? Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for your awesome interest. So now let's start the learning. Now let's start the learning. So for that, you will go to the Google, open the Adword platform. You will click on Google Adword. Login or simple Google Adword you can type, and generally the URL will be google.com/Google Adword. You can start with here or you can start with here. कोई भी इसमें से कोई भी आप क्लिक कर सकते हो. Let's suppose this is your पेड एड. गूगल का ही सेम ही कीवर्ड के लिए गूगल का ये पेड एड चल रहा है, ये फ्री एड चल रहा है. ये जो पेड एड है दिस इज कॉल्ड साइट लिंक. दिस इज कॉल्ड साइट लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन. ये साइट लिंक है. दिस इज कॉल्ड टाइटल, एड टाइटल. This is called add title. This is called URL, add URL, display URL. Display URL means the URL which is displaying in advertisement. This is called call number, that call extensions. You can say that there are a lot of extension. I will show you inside that advert. Call extensions or site extension, there are varieties of extension you can add to your advertisement. So this is the call extensions. This is descriptions, add descriptions, and this is called site link. ये चारों जो दिख रहा है वो site link दिख रहा है. And you can provide details about the site link as well. So this is one of the complete ad, or you can add more site extensions to it as well. इसके अलावा भी और बहुत सारी चीजें आप अपने साइट में एडवर्टीजमेंट में ऐड कर सकते हो. बट बेसिक, वेरी बेसिक, जिसके बिना कि आपकी एड स्टार्ट नहीं होगी, वो तीन चीजें ही होती है. दैट इज योर टाइटल, यूआरएल एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन. टाइटल, यूआरएल एंड डिस्क्रिप्शंस. टाइटल, यूआरएल एंड डिस्क्रिप्शन ही होता है जिसके बिना आप अपनी एड स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकते. उसके अलावा बाकी जो भी चीजें दिख रही हैं वो आपके एडेड हैं. लाइक दैट यू इट्स योर डिस्क्रिप्शन. यू कैन ऐड इट और यू मे नॉट ऐड इट. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. आपकी मर्जी, आप उसमें ऐड कर भी सकते हो, आपकी मर्जी आप उसमें ऐड नहीं भी कर सकते हो. So Anurag has left again. Anurag is offline again. So let's click on a adword. एंड फॉर दैट एडवर्ड किस कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट है एडवर्ड? एडवर्ड्स ऑफ गूगल. सो टू लॉग इन इनटू एनी गूगल अकाउंट, गूगल के किसी भी प्रोडक्ट में लॉग इन करने के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Gmail. Yes, exactly. So again, to use the adword you have to use your Gmail account. You have to use your Gmail account. So you will go and click on the sign in or sign up, and then you will use your sign in, and then you will use your Gmail account. So because I have already set up so many campaign with my Gmail account, um, so it will not show you from the scratch. That account level setting, it may not show you. So I would like to use new Gmail account. Rather than using my old Gmail account, I want to use new Gmail account so that I can show you the setup from the scratch. So let's see if my new Gmail account or any other Gmail account is giving you opportunity to see that account setup from the first step. Or Anurag, me and Bharadwaj were sharing the ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Anurag. Okay. Anurag is sharing with Bharadwaj. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. If you face any problem, then you can just let me know. If you have any issue, you can just let me know. So let's suppose you are doing advertisement. You will use your Gmail account. I would like to add one account. Let's suppose I would like to do my Arowala as my adword account. So you have to provide the password for that, myarowala@gmail.com, and the password, I hope that the password should work. Yes, the password is working. That's nice. Okay, okay, okay. So this is your adword dashboard. This is your adword dashboard. So yes. दिस इज कॉल्ड अकाउंट लेवल इंफॉर्मेशन। जैसे ही आप किसी भी पेड एडवर्टीजमेंट में जाते हो, as you go into any of the paid advertisement, first thing you have to provide is account level information. I'm just writing the steps of paid advertisement. Steps of paid advertisement on any platform. On any platform, it doesn't matter if you are running paid advertisement on Google or Yahoo or Bing or Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. Wherever you are doing the paid advertisement, you have to follow these steps. First step is account level information. Account level information. That account level information is in general country, currency and time zone. Country, currency and time zone. This is account level information. This account level information you cannot change for that account. For that account. Why this information you cannot change for that account? All are here. Everyone is here. Everyone is able to see that. Yes. Just let me know if you face anything. If you want me to repeat, just let me know. So I'm talking about ki if you are doing paid advertisement on any platform, first thing you have to provide the account level information. That account level information you cannot change for that particular account in future. Account level information में आप जो कुछ भी डालेंगे आप फ्यूचर में उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. Why चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं? Because you are paying to this platform. As a user of this platform, you are paying to the Google or you are paying to the Facebook or you are paying to the LinkedIn. So these companies are earning from you, so they have to pay taxes in that particular country. So that country, currency, time zone will help them to in their taxation part. So you cannot change this in future. Your country is for that which taxation law of which country will be applicable for this money. For that purpose you have to select the country. Time zone, for in which time zone your data will be get reported, because most of these companies are based in US. अगर आप अपना setting नहीं करेंगे, if you will not provide the setting, then they will report your data in US time zone. अगर आप by default आप you will not select it, by default they will show the data in the US time zone, which is 12 hours or 12.5 hours behind our time zone. So whatever data you are whatever data is reporting in your dashboard कि कितने क्लिक्स आए, कितने कन्वर्जन्स हुए, कितने इंप्रेशंस हुए, कितना किस पोजीशंस पे आपकी एड चल रही थी, कौन सा एड सबसे ज्यादा परफॉर्म कर रहा है, ये सारी चीज की रिपोर्टिंग होती है डैशबोर्ड में. वो रिपोर्टिंग जो होगी वो किसी और के टाइम जोन में होगी. इट्स बेटर टू सेलेक्ट योर टाइम जोन सो दैट यू कैन मेक अ लॉजिकल सेंस ऑफ दैट डेटा कि ये डेटा आपके टाइम जोन में रिपोर्ट हो रही है. So for that purpose we select the time zone and currency, on which currency you are going to pay to this platform. Indian INR में और यूरो में और पॉन्ड में और US डॉलर में और ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर में और सिंगापुर डॉलर में किस करेंसी में आप पेमेंट करोगे. सो दिस इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन नॉट चेंज. एवरीवन गॉट दिस पॉइंट? सबको बात समझ में आ गई? व्हाट इज द स्पेशल अबाउट अकाउंट लेवल इंफॉर्मेशन? What is the special about account level information? No idea. Yes, we cannot change this. If you will plan to change this, you have to change the account. Yes, you can change the budget, you can change everything. इस अकाउंट लेवल इंफॉर्मेशन के बाद आप जो कुछ भी डालेंगे वो सब कुछ आप चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट अकाउंट लेवल इंफॉर्मेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज कंट्री, करेंसी, टाइम जोन चेंज नहीं कर सकते. So I have set it for this particular account. I am setting that account level information country as India, time zone as IST, and currency as Indian rupees, and then save and continue. After this, from this दिस प्लेस ऑनवर्ड्स, इसके बाद आप जो कुछ भी करोगे एवरीथिंग यू कैन चेंज एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। इसके बाद से जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आप करेंगे वो चेंजेस करेंगे वो आप कभी भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। सो यू हैव लॉट ऑफ स्कोप टू एक्सपेरिमेंट। So the next step is after account level information, you have to provide the campaign. Generally paid advertisement, we start paid advertisement by creating the campaign. In general, all the paid advertisement start as a campaign. जितने भी पेड एडवर्टीजमेंट आप कर रहे हो सबको हम एज अ कैंपेन स्टार्ट करते हैं. And when you are setting up the campaign, that campaign you can set up in the AdWord, campaign you can set up in AdRoll, campaign you can set up in Facebook, campaign you can set up in LinkedIn, campaign you can set up in Twitter. So campaign you can set up in YouTube. You can set up campaign in any paid platform. If you are running a paid advertisement, after setting the account level information, you have to set up the campaign. So campaign में you have to provide the campaign name. जब हम कैंपेन सेटअप करते हैं तो हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं कैंपेन नेम, कैंपेन नेम एंड नेक्स्ट कैंपेन टाइप, कैंपेन टाइप whatever campaign name, campaign type, these are for you, these are not for your users. Whatever you are writing as a campaign name, it will not visible to your user, it's for your own management. So campaign name can be anything. If you are running different kind of campaign, so if you are running I'm running campaign for RO sales, can be a separate campaign. RO AMC can be a different campaign. RO spare parts can be a different campaign. RO service campaign in Noida can be a different campaign. RO service in Vijayawada can be a different campaign. So you can have as many campaign as you want. You can name the campaign to organize your advertising structure. So it's nothing to do with your users. ये campaign name user को नहीं दिखता है. So आपका campaign name कुछ भी हो सकता है. Next we decide about the campaign type. Campaign type, again campaign type depends on the platform. Which platform you are using depends on the platform. So if you are using AdWord, the campaign type AdWord will provide you different campaign type to choose from. If you are using Facebook, Facebook will provide you different campaign type to choose from. If you are running LinkedIn ad, LinkedIn ad will provide you different type of campaign to choose from. So whatever paid platform you are using, you can, according to that particular platform, you have to choose the campaign type, right? We will revise this on every platform. इसी steps को हम लोग हर platform पे repeat करेंगे. The same step we are going to repeat on every paid platform, but each step, the many times I will repeat, it will be clearer to you. So right now we are going to do these steps on Google only. So the campaign type in Google, especially right now, if I am taking the example of campaign type in Google, Google have different campaign type. Google has search campaign. Google will give you an option to select display campaign. Google will give you an option to select a mobile app campaign. Google will give you an option to select both. Both means search and display. Search plus display ad. Google can give you an option to video campaign. You can have the video campaign, and Google will give you an option to select shopping campaign. Shopping campaign. So these are the campaign type you have available in the Google. You can do search. Search means when someone is using search in the Google property, google.com, co.in, google.co.uk, या गूगल के जितने पार्टनर वेबसाइट है AOL या गूगल के जितने सर्च पार्टनर वेबसाइट है, वहां पे अगर सर्चेज हो रही हैं, सर्चेज के रिजल्ट के तौर पे आपकी एडवर्टीजमेंट डिस्प्ले हो रही है, देन इट इज गूगल सर्च campaign type. Display campaign type means display I have to explain in detail little bit. So you guys will understand. Let me show you that these campaign types in the Google. So in Adword platform, everyone is able to see that Adword platform. You will see that Adword platform, and then you will click on create your first campaign. Click on create your first campaign. There you have to decide that campaign name. First you have to decide the campaign name. Let's suppose you are we are running a campaign on free RO service in Noida. I'm running a campaign. Let's suppose I'm running a campaign free RO service in Noida. This name of the campaign is for my information. This is nothing to do with the users. Now you have to select the campaign type. You can select search with display. You can select only search. You can select only display. You can search shopping. You can search video. You can search app. Now you understand most of these. It's very easy to understand. Search with display means you are using the search campaign as well as display campaign. Search is when someone is doing Google searches or Google partner searches or Google custom searches, then your ad will display campaign, display network. There are so many other website has partnered with Google, and your ad will display on the Google partner website. That is called Google Display Network, GDN. I will explain the GDN little bit detail again. Just for now understand, there is a publishers partner with the Google, and Google will show your ad to those publishers website. So that is Google Display Network. Shopping is this kind of ad. Let's suppose you are doing searches in Google with the some product related keyword is let's suppose you are searching red shoes. So this is shopping campaign. Whatever you are seeing as a sponsored, this kind of campaign, this kind of image ad you can run using this shopping type of campaign, right? So you can decide what kind of campaign. Right now I am selecting search network only. I'm going to show you I'm going to show you how to set up this ad, but what I will request you guys to go and set up each kind of campaign to understand all the components of the paid advertisement, all the components of the AdWord, what is required, right? So right now I'm going to select that search campaign only, but you can go and explore. You can set up each kind of campaign to understand what exactly they are asking you for each kind of campaign. I think I have selected display campaign rather than selecting the search. I should be selecting search campaign. What happened? So this is your AdWord dashboard. Their AdWord dashboard, you will provide your campaign name, then you will select your campaign type. In campaign type, you can select any campaign type. Right now we are selecting search campaign. To understand better, I'm going to explain you display campaign. I think you must have some doubts in display campaign. How many of you have heard about display campaign? Display campaign, have you heard about GDN or display campaign or paid advertisement in website? Have you ever tried to earn money online? किसी ने भी अभी इससे पहले आज तक try किया है? Faheen has tried. Shakesh hasn't tried. Okay, Faheen, how you have tried to do that? कैसे try किया था? Bharadwaj has also tried. Neobucks ClickSense. Just I'm unmuting you. Faheen, I'm unmuting you. You can talk to me. And yes. How you are doing that? What you are doing there, Faheen?
We need to register in that site, ma'am, and
Okay.
later we need to click on the advertisements.
Mm-hmm.
For each click, will be paid some in dollars, ma'am.
Okay. So have you made money on that?
Yes, ma'am.
How much? Like it was good to do.
Per click they'll give some around $0.01.
Okay.
So every day we need to click 24 advertisements.
Okay. 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 Got it. Got it. So,
Okay,
uh,
ma'am.
okay. Thank you, Faheen. Faheen, I think all of you have listened to Faheen. I'm not sure if all of you have listened to Faheen or not. Yes, all of you have listened to Faheen. That's I'm not going to repeat again. So Faheen has tried some advertisement paid model in which he has to click on that advertisement and he was earning money out of that. Paid advertisement. I'm going to give you an example of paid advertisement. What that Faheen or you guys can understand what exactly Faheen was doing, how Faheen was earning money. So you assume that in at the center of this entire story, at the center of the story is Google itself, and one side of this story is advertiser, advertiser or business owners. You can say that the business owner who is ready to pay for ad. One side there is advertiser who is ready to pay, and other side of the Google has done partnership with other website. It's not that any owner, it's a website owner. That website owner is called publishers partner, and that publishers partner, in short, it is called GDN. That is Google Display Network Partner. Display Network Partner, right? So how what Google do, that Google take advertisement from these advertisers. Let's suppose I have a RO business and I want to promote my RO. I want to do advertisement for my RO. So I have given ad to the Google. I have write ad copy to and given ad that I have asked Google that I am ready to pay, and I have done that partnership using Adword. This side, whoever is this side of this Google, they are using Adword. Advertisers are using Adword. If you are in the advertiser side, if you are ready to pay, if you are business owner, if you are ready to pay money to the Google for the advertisement, then you have to you have to do partnership with the Google using Adword. If you are in the Google opposite side, if you want to earn money, these people want to earn money from Google or any other advertisement network. So these people are interested in earning money. So what Google will do, Google will contextually match the website. If I'm talking about RO, Google contextually find all those websites which is related to health, or which is related to water, or which is related to wellness, or which is related to somehow some waterborne diseases. So according to the content of my website, Google will find the related partner website on which website Google can display my ad. On these partner website, Google will display my ad, and Google has software to match that context. Google can decide, okay, this is related to RO, or this is related to logistic, or this is related to fashion, or this is related to what kind of website advertiser is doing what kind of advertisement. According to that advertisement, Google will find right kind of publisher's website, and Google will display those advertisement on publisher's website. And when publishers audience, like let's suppose you have one other website. If you have how to be safe from waterborne diseases, let's suppose you are making a website for the awareness kind of things, where you are discussing about how to get rid of waterborne diseases, or how to drink safe water, or if you have some health website and you are partner of the Google will pick your website as a publishers, and place my advertisement on your website, right? So when Google will display that ad, your website visitor come to your website, and after seeing that content, your visitor may click on my advertisement. When your visitor click on my advertisement, the Google will pay to you. Google will pay to the publishers. Google will pay to the publishers network where Google has shown their advertisement. So this is called display network. This is called display network, right? This, if you have to do partnership with publish, you have to be part. If you want to earn money, then you have to part of publishers network, and that is called GDN. And this is, they want to earn money, and for that purpose you have to be partnership with Google using that platform is called AdSense. That Google platform is called AdSense. So if you want to manage, if you want to earn money from the Google, you have to be part of AdSense. If you want to give money to the Google, then you have to part of Adword, right? So should I give you some example? Should I show you some example of display ad? Are you interested in seeing some example of display ad? Yes, yes, that I can understand. Let's suppose, I'm not sure where it should be. I should show you. Let's suppose I'm showing GDN partner. I hope I should show you some ad, and then you must have seen advertisement on any other website. When you are going and visiting a lot of other website, you must have seen advertisement in the side. Let's open entrepreneur. Generally news website have that ad in that place. Have you seen that sponsored ad appearing somewhere? इस तरह की वेबसाइट में यहाँ पे स्पॉन्सर्स ऐड आते रहते हैं. It's not here. Yes, in YouTube you can also find the sponsor ad. In YouTube, that there is the same model work on the YouTube. You can be the YouTube video publishers. You can be the video advertisers. So this. Can you see this? Get new customers. Their ad choice is ad by Google. Can you see this ad by Google? Yes. So this is Forbes. In that case, Forbes is partner of Google Publishers Network. Forbes is partner of Google Display Network. So as a user of this Forbes website, if I will click on this ad, then Google will pay few amount to the Forbes. Right? If you want to show your ad in this way on other websites, then you have to select the search network. Then you have to select the display network. You understand the difference between display network and search network? Search network is, yes, thanks. Faheen has understand. Satya has also understand. Sai has also understand. That's nice. So when someone is doing that search in the Google, someone is doing that search in the Google and your website is appearing, this is called search network. If you want your website to appear in this place, then you will select the search network. If someone is visiting any other website, if your user, if your expected customers or if your potential visitor is on any other website, and at that place your website, your ad is appearing, such as ad by Google, sponsor ad or ad by Google, if your website is appearing in this way, your ad is appearing on any other website, then it is display ad. So this is your search ad and this is your display ad. So the basic difference between this and this is, here someone is looking for your product. Someone is proactively typing the term in the Google and then your ad will be appearing. Here I haven't gone to to see this advertisement. Have you gone to website to see the advertisement, or you go to other website to read the content? किसी दूसरी वेबसाइट पे आप जाते हो तो कंटेंट रीड करने के लिए जाते हो या एडवर्टीजमेंट देखने के लिए जाते हो? When you content read करने के लिए, exactly. So that's why display advertisement is not a very effective way. That display advertisement is a very fantastic, you can get fantastic awareness kind of things, but it's not that ROI oriented as the search one. Search marketing has or search advertisement has better ROI over the display, because people are coming to this website for the information. They haven't come to this website for the advertisements, but somehow these related advertisements are appearing in the site. So if they feel like to clicking on that advertisement, they can click, otherwise they may not click as well. So when the user of these folks will click on this advertisement, the advertisement is from, let's suppose the advertisement is from GoDaddy. So GoDaddy will pay to the Google, and Google will pay a fraction of that amount to the folks. So if you want to earn money, you have to be part of AdSense, or you have to create a website, information based website like Forbes. And if you want to expose your product to the audience, or if you want to do marketing of your website, then you have to become the part of Adword. And you can choose, either you can choose paid, you can choose search ad, or you can choose the display ad. Now display and paid, display and search, is anyone there who hasn't understand difference between display network and search network? आप लोग में से कोई ऐसा है जिसको डिस्प्ले नेटवर्क और सर्च नेटवर्क नहीं समझ में आया हो? Just say yes if everyone has understand. Faheen has understand, Sakis has understand, Satya has also understand. So I assume your partners have also understood these, because you are doing partnership with other guys. So I assume your partner has also understood these. Bhanu has also understand. Samuel has also understand. That's fantastic, right? So now you got the point. So when you have to run advertisement in the Adword, you will go and create your campaign. You will name the campaign, and then you will decide the type of the campaign. In the type of the campaign, you can do the search, you can select the search type. Search network means your ad will display to the Google search partners, Google search network and Google search partner net website. Let's suppose I'm giving the name of my campaign is free RO services in Noida, and right now I'm selecting only search network. I'm selecting search network, and I will request you to go and explore all type of network. Go and explore search with display, go and explore search, go and explore display, go and explore shopping, go and explore videos and mobile app as well. and just go through the setting of the campaign, and if you face any questions or any doubts, just let me know. Right now in this class I'm going to show you one only search network. Is it okay? Can you guys explore other network, other type of advertising network? Okay, that's fantastic. Once I will show you the setup of the search network. It will be better. It will be easier for you to set up other kind of display ad as well, other kind of Google ad as well. Okay, so note down the task for today. Note down just exercise for today. All of you will set up one campaign of each kind. Using your Gmail ID, all of you will set up one campaign of each kind. So you will have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 campaigns. You will set up 5 campaign. You will set up 5 campaign, and you will come tomorrow with your questions. So this is I have selected search network, and the search network has some other features. Standard means that standard things will come to you. All features means all search network will give you all the features: mobile app installations, mobile app engagement, dynamic search ads, call only. You can decide what kind of search ad you want to display. Right now, let's suppose I'm selecting all features, so that you can see all the features of the search network. Otherwise, you can select a part of the search network. You can run search network only for the mobile app installation. You can run search network only for the mobile app engagement, means improving the reviews and ratings and comments, and that kind of that installations, that is called app engagement. Dynamic search ad means when someone is searching. Let's suppose someone is searching uh, RO service in some word which you haven't included, which you haven't targeted. गूगल आपका यूजर कोई ऐसा वर्ड सर्च कर रहा है जो कि आपने अपने टारगेट में अभी तक इंक्लूड नहीं किया है. सो इन दैट वे दैट सर्च टर्म विल बी डायनेमिकली placed in your ad copies, so that that searcher will feel the relevancy, क्योंकि जो उन्होंने सर्च किया है वो उसके ad में अपने आप dynamically insert हो जाएगी. That is called dynamic search ads. And call only means कि if your business is about you want to attract only calls, your business is about कि मुझे जितने भी लोग सर्च करते हैं वो क्लिक करके सीधे कॉल करें मुझे, they don't go to my website, or that a conversion focused advertisement where your conversion is only call. So that kind of ad you can set up. Right now I'm going to show you all feature ad. Is it fine? Bharadwaj, we have to pay for it. Yes, yes, we are, Bharadwaj, we are doing the paid advertisement. So advertiser has to pay for it. Advertiser has to pay for it. And right now I will set up the campaign, and we will do the setup till the payment option. जब तक कि पेमेंट का ऑप्शन वो मांगेगा, उससे पहले के जितने स्टेप्स होते हैं वो सारा का सारा हम करेंगे. जैसे ही पेमेंट का ऑप्शंस मांगेगा वी विल स्टॉप देयर, because right now we are not ready to run the campaign, or we are not ready to pay to the Google right now, so we may stop there. Or I may show you I may show you integrating my credit card and debit card and show you how to run that ad. But when you will set up that campaign, you will do till that payment option. आप लोग जब करोगे तो केवल पेमेंट ऑप्शन तक ही करोगे. No, it's a paid advertisement. How can you do it free? If you have to do it free, then you have to go for the search engine optimization. Have you understand search engine optimization? Yes, if you want free placement in the Google, then you have to work on search engine optimization. Google give you opportunity to have a free placement, and that free placement you can have using search engine optimization. You have to do lot of hard work for that. You have to do on-page optimizations, you have to do local optimizations, you have to do off-page optimizations, you have to do technical SEO, you have to make sure that your site load time is very high, readability, scannability, everything you have to take care of. Then Google will reward you for that free placement in Google. So right now we are doing paid placement, means we are paying for the position, we are paying for the ad placement on the Google, right? Okay, got it? Okay. Okay, nice. So if you any of you have to ask, just let me know. I will unmute you and I will listen your questions and answer. So it's fine. It's all kind. It's a two-way communication. You can ask anytime. And need not to write everything here. You can just ask me to unmute you. I will unmute you and I will listen your questions and then answer that. Is it fine? Okay, fine. No questions. Okay, fine. Let's. Should I go ahead? Yeah. Samuel, thanks. So that campaign name, free RO services in Noida, I have decided to go for the search network only, and I have selected all features. Then this network selection is showing whatever network you will select, that will appear here. That search network include the search partner, means if Google has done any search partnership with other websites. So बहुत सारी वेबसाइट में you must have seen that search option, इस तरह का सर्चेज होता है और यहाँ पे लिखा रहता है गूगल कस्टम सर्च. हैव यू सीन दैट वेबसाइट जहाँ पे सर्चेज जो होती है उसके साथ में यहाँ पे लिखा रहता है गूगल कस्टम सर्च. No, to set up a campaign, it will not cost you. To set up a campaign, it will not cost you, but it will not display your ad until and unless you will not provide your billing information. You can set up a campaign, as many campaign as you want, but you cannot show your advertisement in the Google until and unless you will not provide the billing information, credit card or debit card information. So you can set up the campaign, as many campaign as you want, but it will not show in the Google. राइट. सो हैव यू सीन सर्च ऑप्शन. बहुत सारी वेबसाइट में सर्च का ऑप्शन होता है और साथ में यहाँ पे लिखा रहता है गूगल कस्टम सर्च. गूगल कस्टम सर्च. हैव यू सीन दैट गूगल कस्टम सर्च. बहुत सारी वेबसाइट के अंदर ये गूगल कस्टम सर्च का ऑप्शन होता है, गूगल कस्टम सर्च. So these websites are using Google algorithm to show the result of their website. This is the Google partner search partner. This is called Google search partner. So what happen if people use जैसे आपने अपने वेबसाइट में गूगल कस्टम सर्च लगाया, अगर आपकी वेबसाइट में कोई बंदा सर्च करेगा तो वहां पे भी गूगल के ऐड दिखेंगे. So that is Google search partner. Apart from that, AOL is also Google search partner. Apart from that, there are so many websites which who hasn't developed their search algorithm. They have buy Google's patented search algorithm to show the result. So they are also Google search partner. So if you want to show your advertisement to the search partner, you can include. Otherwise, you can exclude it. If you don't want to show your advertisement on others, you can exclude it. Right now, I am including it. So device, by default, your website, your ad will display on every device. Initially, it was you can select कि किस device पे आप ad अपना चलाना चाहते हो, but now it's compulsory that you have to run your advertisement on every device, mobile, tablet, phablet, सारे पे आपकी ad चलेगी. Right. So now you can decide the location. लोकेशन. सो इन दैट स्टेप, जो स्टेप हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि फर्स्ट स्टेप अकाउंट लेवल सेटअप, सेकंड स्टेप कैंपेन लेवल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड थर्ड स्टेप विल बी योर टारगेटिंग ऑप्शन. So wherever you are running paid advertisement, you have to select the target, and that targeting option will be different for different platform. अभी आप गूगल में करोगे तो वो लोकेशन टारगेटिंग का ऑप्शन दे रहा है, फेसबुक में जाओगे तो लोकेशन के साथ साथ वो एज ग्रुप की टारगेटिंग एंड इंटरेस्ट की टारगेटिंग और रिलेशनशिप टाइप की टारगेटिंग और हॉबीज की टारगेटिंग, वो बहुत सारे टारगेटिंग ऑप्शंस देगा. लिंक्डइन में जाओगे तो जॉब से डेजिग्नेशन के वाइज टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं, कंपनी का किस कंपनी में आप काम करते हैं उस कंपनी के वाइज टारगेटिंग कर सकते हैं. So every paid platform have different targeting options, but if you are running a paid advertisement, you have to select to whom you want to show your ad. That is your targeting option. So that next step is you have to select the targeting option. So location is one of the targeting options. You can have 100 of targeting option on different platform. So whatever informations that platform is taking from the users, all these informations that platforms give to the advertiser to select the targeting option. फेसबुक एज अ यूजर आपसे जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन लेता है वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन वो एडवर्टाइजर को दे देता है ताकि आप अपने सही टारगेट को सेलेक्ट कर पाओ, राइट? ऑल आर हियर? सारे लोग आप लोग यहीं पे हो? यस, साकेश इज हियर, सत्या इज हियर, भानु इज हियर, Bharadwaj is here. That's nice, fantastic. Thank you for all the patience. So let's assume that right now I'm giving you the targeting options. I'm going for the advanced search. I'm targeting. You can target in anything, exclude it, include it, or nearby area. Three things you can do. Let's suppose I'm targeting only in the Noida. So what I can do, I can add Noida. When I will add Noida, all the visitors from Noida can see my ad. The reach is this much. You can see the reach. If I will select any places, how much people have potential to see my ad. This is the reach. So adding means that people can see my I have reach to that people. Exclude means कि उस जगह पे मुझे अपनी ad नहीं दिखानी है. Then I can exclude. Nearby means उस जगह पे दिखानी है और उसके nearby 10 किलोमीटर 20 किलोमीटर्स, और गूगल में जो nearby एरिया वो डिसाइड होता है वो माइल्स में डिसाइड होता है कि कितने माइल्स तक आप nearby, कितने माइल्स तक आप अपनी एड दिखाना चाहते हो. So you can add any location, you can exclude any location, or you can select the nearby any locations. Let's suppose you are selecting if you are running ad campaign for your college, Western College के लिए आप ad campaign कर रहे हो. Include, exclude, or add. Fahin, very right, exactly. Include, exclude, or add. Fahin, have you run paid ad on any platform? Fahin, have you run any paid ad on any platform? All, can you listen? Hi guys, are you listening to me? Sakesh is listening. Okay, so you can add, exclude, or include, exclude, or add. Include और exclude का मतलब हो गया कि you are including that location. Exclude का मतलब उस लोकेशन पे आपकी ad नहीं चलेगी. Nearby का मतलब उस लोकेशन के nearby आपकी ad चलेगी. When I'm saying include, so let's suppose example you are targeting the entire India. Western College is targeting for BBA admission entire India, or entire India में Western College is not targeting. Let's suppose not targeting Bihar, or not targeting that South India some places, or not targeting North India some places. So what Western College can do, can target India को add करेंगे और बिहार को एक्सक्लूड करेंगे. सो दैट वे वेस्टर्न कॉलेज की एड पूरे इंडिया में डिस्प्ले होगी, केवल बिहार में डिस्प्ले नहीं होगी. सो दैट वे यू कैन इंक्लूड और एक्सक्लूड. सो राइट नाउ आई एम सेलेक्टिंग, आई एम एडिंग नोएडा, right? So if I want to I'm just showing you, I want to exclude some places in Noida. So I'm excluding, let's suppose let's suppose I'm including entire UP, Uttar Pradesh. I'm including entire Uttar Pradesh, and I'm not giving services in let's suppose Kanpur. What I can do, if I don't want to give services in the Kanpur, I can exclude it. You got the point? Let's suppose I'm not giving services in the Lucknow. So that way you can include or exclude. Right now, according to this service model, I would like to target the entire Noida. I will select the Noida, and I will remove it, and I will also select the nearby area of Noida. So I can select the nearby as well, right? So nearby में which area you want to target? Nearby you want to target Haryana or Delhi or New Delhi or Ghaziabad or Faridabad. Which area you want to target? So let's suppose I'm adding, I want to target Delhi, or I want to target New Delhi, I want to target Ghaziabad, I don't want to target Faridabad. So you can select and keep on add. And you can also do radius targeting. You have to decide, let's suppose I want to target pin code wise 201301. So how many kilometers of that pin code you want to target, so you can do the radius targeting as well. Got the little bit of targeting options? Induce, include, yes. So you can explore. Once you have clarity about your target audience, once you know your who is exact your target audience, it's very easier to target. Well, if you don't have clarity who is exact your target audience, then it's very tough to target. So that's why in the first class you might remember that first class I have said that you should have a very clear clarity that who is your target audience. So right now we are selecting only these, whatever selected right now, you can go and explore it further. So click on done. Targeted location is Ghaziabad, New Delhi, Delhi, Noida, and excluded location is Kanpur. It doesn't make sense, so I just remove it. And other location options are also available. So if the person is in the IP address, generally ये जो targeting options होते हैं वो IP address based होते हैं कि if someone is doing that searches and the IP address belongs to that particular geography, then your ad will display. And you can have an option कि if someone is sitting in the US और कैलिफोर्निया में बैठा हुआ है और वो बंदा सर्च कर रहा है RO सर्विसेज इन नोएडा, तो आपकी ऐड दिखनी चाहिए या नहीं दिखनी चाहिए? आईपी एड्रेस तो कैलिफोर्निया का है, लेकिन वो सर्च कहाँ के लिए कर रहा है? नोएडा के लिए कर रहा है. तो डू यू वांट टू शो योर एड टू सच पीपल और नॉट? So that kind of options you can select from here. So I want to show my ad only to the people searching for or who show interest in my targeted locations. So that I have selected. I haven't excluded these. So language, you can select any language. You can select more than one language as well. I want to select English, and as well as I want to select, let's suppose Hindi. Is Hindi somewhere? Yes. I want to select these two languages. So you can select more than one language. All these are targeting options. So after targeting has done. This is search marketing में targeting में location, language is your targeting options. Then you will provide the budget and billing. Budget and bidding information. So it is here you have to provide the bidding and budget. So on next step of paid advertisement is providing bidding and budget information. Bidding and budget information. On every platform, wherever you are running paid advertisement, you have to provide the bidding and budget information. Bidding means per click cost. Bidding can be of three types. CPC. What is CPC? Have you heard about CPC? Then CPM, and third CPA, and budget information we will discuss separately. So have you heard these terms, CPC, CPM, CP? No. So these are the method how you are ready to pay to the Google. So how you would like to pay? CPC, you would like to pay cost per click. So if you are ready to pay cost per click, for every click you are ready to pay, then it is called CPC. If you are ready to pay cost per thousand impression, then it is CPM. If 1000 times your ad has displayed and for that 1000 impression you want to pay, then it is called CPM. And CPA is cost per action. That action may be your lead or installations, or might be form fill up, or might be live chat, or might be download, or might be buy. Any action you can decide. So these are the different way to pay to the Google. Cost per actions, yes, cost per action. That was very right. It's cost per actions. So these are the popular way to do paid advertisement. This is not necessary कि ये सारे के सारे ways you have available for all the platform. Some platform will give you option to pay according to CPC. Some platform will give you an option to CPC and CPM. Some platform will give you an option to CPC, CPM, CPA as well. So some platform will give you only one option for CPC. So platform to platform, you may have different way for the payment, but these are the three most popular way to do the paid advertisement. Most popular way to decide the bidding, how much you are ready to pay for the clicks, how much you are ready to pay for the per thousand impressions, how much you are ready to per thousand, how much you are ready to pay for per action or per lead or per installations, so that you can decide. In especially in the Google, all three models are available. In search option, CPC are available. CPA is available only if you have achieved significant amount of conversions on your for your ad, then only you will be allowed CPA. If you have let's suppose 25 conversion has already happened, agar 25 actions, whatever actions you are planning to integrate in your CPA, if 25 plus action has already happened, then Google calculate little bit of that, ki how much you should be paying for each actions, and then you will run your CPA campaign. So in Google right now we are going for CPC only. Right now you can decide CPC, per click, cost per click. So according to the platform, according to your business requirement, according to your budget, according to your audience, you can decide how you would like to pay. If you are running, if your cost is very limited, or if your budget is very limited, it's best option to go for the CPA. But sometimes all the platform will not provide you CPA, and initially you have to achieve significant actions, conversions, then only they will allow you to do the CPA. So in long run you can go for the CPA. CPM, when you are running any awareness campaign, let's suppose you are running advertisement for new movies Dilwale, then you will go for the CPM. When you are running ad campaign for IPL, then awareness campaign has to be there. When you are doing advertisement campaign for any elections, that BJP के लिए कोई campaign कर रहे हैं, then you have to you should go for the CPM, cost per thousand impressions, because you are running awareness campaign. But when the cost budget is constrained, when budget is limited, and you have to track the success of your campaign, then it's good to go by CPC, right? All guys are here. CPA, CPC, CPM, आ गई बात सबको समझ में? सैमुल को आ गई समझ में, सत्या को भी आ गई समझ में, शाकेश को भी आ गई, एंड ओके okay, nice. There are two Satya, Satya Srinivas and Satya Sai Prem. Okay, there are two. I was assuming this is the only one Satya. I'm sorry for that. Now I can see. So right now we will select that how much you would like to pay. You can decide manually, or you can AdWord will decide. So how many of you remember that Google Keyword Planner? Google Keyword Planner याद है सबको? Have you remember that Google Keyword Planner? Yes. In Google Keyword Planner was suggesting you some suggested bid. Do you remember, guys? Google Keyword Planner was giving you some keyword suggestions. Yes. So that bid amount, little bit of idea you can get from the Google Keyword Planner कि per click average cost कितनी हो सकती है उस keyword के लिए. So if you have little bit of idea, or if you have little bit of history in your advertisement, then you can go for the uh, you can go for मैनुअल बिडिंग. मैनुअल बिडिंग का मीन्स यू विल सेट कि पर क्लिक तुम्हें कितना पे करना है. यू कैन डिसाइड ओके डिफॉल्ट बिड आई वांट टू सेट द डिफॉल्ट बिड इज 109 पर I am ready to pay for 100 or 100 rupees per clicks. So this is called manual bidding. Manual bidding means every keywords, whatever keyword I will select, the default bid amount will be per click 100. So bid amount doesn't mean that कि exactly आपको उतना ही pay करना है. In layman language you understand the bid. बोली लगाना समझ में आता है सबको. So bid amount is the maximum amount you are ready to pay. It's not necessary that you will pay exact the same amount. So let's suppose manually I am saying I am ready to pay 100 rupees. So it doesn't mean that every click Google will ask me to pay 100 rupees. So at the real time when someone is searching for my targeted keyword RO services in Noida, at that point of time how many advertisers are ready to pay, what are their quality score, what are their ad ranks, what are how much they are ready to pay, and calculating everything, Google decide कि per click cost कितनी होगी. So at that point of time your bid amount may be lower than that, but the maximum is 100. If that bid amount, let's suppose number of advertiser is very high और competition बहुत high है, उनका bid amount बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो और आपने जो bid amount 100 rupees रखा हुआ है, तो हो सकता है आपकी ad नहीं show होगी. अगर आपको पर क्लिक की कॉस्ट 100 से ज्यादा आ रही है तो आपकी एड शो नहीं होगी. सो बिड अमाउंट इज द मैक्सिमम गूगल विल कॉस्ट यू फॉर पर क्लिक. इट्स नॉट दैट कि एग्जैक्टली इतना ही आपको पे करना है. इट मे बी लेस देन दैट. इन जनरल इट इज लेस देन दैट. इन जनरल उससे कम ही आपको पे करना होता है. So bid amount is the maximum amount you are ready to pay for single click. So you can set by default bid, or you can set Adword will decide or help me. So if you are getting started, I will recommend to go for the Adword. If you have a little bit of experience, or you have a little bit of history in your campaign, you can analyze your history and then you can suggest the default bid. Here in the keyword planner, you also get an idea. Let's suppose I'm RO service in Noida. I'm selecting India, and then I'm seeing if average cost. Here you can get an ideas about the suggested bid. Average, it's not the exact, but average थोड़ा सा idea आपको मिल जाएगा कि per click कितना pay करना पड़ रहा है. So you can see there 43, 34 rupees per click. For RO related, RO service in Noida related keyword, it's purification system के लिए 287, filtration system के लिए 387, water filtration के लिए 200, water purifications के लिए 85. So you can see that how it is varying according to different parameters. So that if I will click on the suggested bid and sort it, maximum bid amount is 403 per click. So house filter, for keyword house filter, like maximum Google is suggesting you to pay 403 rupees per click. So you get an idea, right? Go for this keyword idea here. There you can also, Google will suggest you what I have suggested, RO service in Noida. For this particular keyword, the search volume, average monthly searches is low, and suggested bid is 12 rupees, right? So that so average right now I'm asking Google to decide how much we should pay. So rather than deciding myself, I'm asking Google to decide. All guys are getting these? You can settle. Budget is your control. Budget means your control. Budget means maximum max spend per day. So Google will not show your ad beyond that budget. Let's suppose I have said ki per day I can spend only 500 rupees. So 500, how many clicks I will receive in the 500? After that, my ad will get stopped. उसके बाद मेरी ad नहीं show होगी. So that way you can control that how much money you are spending on your advertisement. It should not go beyond your control. It's not like that. I have started my ad and tomorrow morning I'm opening my eye that I'm seeing that all the bank balance gone to advertisement only. So you can set the limit कि मैक्सिमम इतना ही पैसा आप पर डे खर्च करोगे, उससे ज्यादा एडवर्टीजमेंट में पैसे खर्च नहीं करोगे. सो यू गॉट द बिडिंग बजट अमाउंट. बजट समझ में आ गया सबको? Yes. So yes, nice. So bidding, maximum bidding I am asking Adword to set, and budget I have set for the 500. Delivery method you can decide standard or accelerated. Accelerated means your ad will show faster and your budget will may exhaust earlier. So I will go for the optimized delivery ad and spend that entire budget में throughout the day मेरी ad show होती रहे. So you can select that. This is the extensions. This is called ad extensions. But initially I have shown you कि ad extensions क्या होता है. These are the ad extensions. So in your advertisement, you can you can add the location, you can add the site link, you can add the mobile number, you can add the mobile apps, you can add the review we have collected from on different places, or you have collected the review on your Google Plus profile, or you have call outs, additional descriptive call outs or call to actions, and a structured snippet means you have a descriptive structured HTML snippet that you can also provide. Right now I am just giving the call extensions. You can give as many extension as you want for your website, and it's better to have lot of extensions क्योंकि ad में generally जितने ज़्यादा details होती हैं, clicks के chances उतने ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. You remember that in Google, let's suppose you are searching uh, cheap flights. Okay, it's not showing lot of so now you can see that make my trip. All these they have added lot of ad extensions. All these are ad extensions. So they have added snippets, and they have added extensions. They haven't added the mobile numbers, but they have added lot of things. So अपनी एक टाइटल यूआरएल और डिस्क्रिप्शन, टाइटल यूआरएल एंड डिस्क्रिप्शंस के अलावा आप क्या क्या ऐड करना चाहते हो अपनी वेबसाइट में, दैट यू कैन अपने ऐड में दैट you can add location, you can add site link, you can add call, you can add any ad extensions. Right now I'm just adding a number. So click on that add phone number, and I'm adding let's suppose India number. So I'm adding India. Where it is India has gone. India, it's India. And you will provide your mobile number or 0535. Let's suppose you have given that mobile number, and device preferences, you want to show this number on the mobile so that they can directly tap on that number and call to you. So you can do that kind of setting. Advanced setting, you can also do, you can start the date and end the date at what time you want to show this number, because that maybe your business number, you want to show this number only for 10 to 5 or 10 to 6 or 10 to 7. That kind of settings you can do, start date, end date, and scheduling. Right now I'm not doing all these things. I'm just giving you the giving the number as ad extensions. Are you guys getting this? Ad extensions. Are you guys getting the ad extensions? Samuel is getting. Faheen is also. Shakesh, Bhanu, Satya Sai. Thank you. So after deciding the ad extensions, we will decide these advanced settings that you can schedule at what date you want to start your ad, at what date you want to add your ad, you want to end your ad, at what time you want to run your ad. You can run your ad morning 10 बजे से 5 बजे तक चले या Sunday को 12 बजे से 3 बजे तक चले. So that kind of scheduling you can do. So right now I'm just starting ad. I'm going to end it. Let's suppose I'm going to run this ad for 1 week only. So I will add, I'm just providing the end date as 24. So that you can decide, scheduling you can decide, and rotations. This is by default, your ad will be optimized for conversions or optimized for clicks or optimized for, that doesn't matter, conversion or clicks, evenly it should be shown to every, frequently it should show to the equal interval. So that you can decide, but obviously I will go for the optimized for conversion and optimized for clicks. So dynamic search ad, right now we are not ready for the dynamic search ad. Dynamic search ad means क्या होता है? Ma'am, just add time also. Add time also. Okay, do you want to add time? You can schedule it at what particular time you want to run your ad. For that, you have to change the bidding. For that, if you want to change that timing, so for that you have to, automatic bidding campaign may not use the ad scheduling. What we have selected, automatic bidding, we are asking Google to do the bidding on our behalf. So for that automatic bidding you cannot select the ad scheduling. If you will select manual bidding, so for that you have to select the manual bidding. In manual bidding you have to select the default bid. Let's suppose I am selecting my default bid is 100 rupees, and then you can select the ad scheduling. So create the custom schedule. You can decide, let's suppose I want to show my ad Monday to Friday at let's suppose at what time I should show, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. right? So that way you can select it. Now you got the ad time. How you can add the time? Satya, have you got the time? How you can add? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So that way you can exactly decide. Okay, like morning 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock, or evening what product your, according to your product. इस product को ज़्यादा तो लोग किस time में search करते होंगे. So that you can decide. But generally जैसे ही आप दो चीजें हैं, you can remember these things in the advanced level, that you can change the bid amount for a particular time. Let's suppose you are running advertisement in the morning, so you feel that कि morning में बहुत ज़्यादा advertisers होते हैं तो मेरा bid amount ज़्यादा होगा. Evening में advertisers कम होते हैं तो you can reduce the bid amount. So bid amount you can adjust according to the timing, and bid amount you can also adjust according to the device. So these two facilities is available in the advanced level. Right now you have selected the automatic one, so these are not available. So you can decide कि okay मेरी ad desktop पे show हो रही है तो bid amount 100 रुपए होना चाहिए. अगर मोबाइल पे show हो रही है तो मेरा मोबाइल पे users मेरे बहुत कम है तो मेरा bid amount 20% कम हो जाए. Let's suppose you are running advertisement for the product which mobile user बहुत ज़्यादा search नहीं करते हैं. तो you can decide that कि किस device के लिए कितना bid होना चाहिए. Again, Sakesh has gone offline. I hope everything is fine. So in the same way, you can decide at which time you want to give more budget. Morning में ज़्यादा budget देना चाहते हैं, evening में ज़्यादा budget देना चाहते हैं, that you can also decide. So got the point? After that, you will click on save and continue. So what we have done so far, we have done the targeting options. अभी तक हम लोगों ने date, time, locations ये सारा कुछ define कर लिया, bidding and budget, and then next most important work is ad copy, creating the ad copy. creating the ad copies. So now we are moving towards creating the ad copies, which is also called creatives, which will decide ki uh, whether people will click on your advertisement or not. What happened? Everyone is here. Bharadwaj, you are here. Yes. So you understand the steps. These steps are applicable on every platform. These steps are applicable on every paid platform. You have to set up the account, you have to set up the campaign, you have to set up that targeting options, you have to provide the billing, you have to provide the budget informations, and you have to create the ad copies on which people will click on your ad. So right now we are going to create ad copies for the adword. So that ad copies, do's and don'ts of this ad copy will be different for different platform. यहाँ पे हेडिंग कैरेक्टर्स 25 कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्शन लाइन 135 कैरेक्टर्स का होता है, डिस्क्रिप्शन लाइन 235 कैरेक्टर्स का होता है, डिस्प्ले यूआरएल 35 कैरेक्टर्स के होते हैं, फाइनल यूआरएल 35 कैरेक्टर्स का होता है. जस्ट अ सेक, गिव मी 1 मिनट. ये जेसिका कहीं पैसा लेके आई होगी, कहीं आसपास होगी. आप इधर से किए थे क्या? तो एक बार कर दीजिए ना, बोल दीजिए ना कि अगर वो बोल रही होगी तो कहीं आसपास आई होगी तो. Yes, I am back. All are here. आप लोग तो कहीं नहीं गए. Okay, that's nice. So now we are moving into the next. That's fine. Satya, Somel, Satya Srinivas, Fahim, all. Thank you for being here. So now we are going to create ad copies for the target audience. Whatever target audience, जो भी आपने target audience select किया है, उस target audience के accordingly you have to decide the descriptions. Right. So right now, let's suppose I'm saying my headline is free RO service in Noida. Let's suppose you are saying free RO service in Noida. That all caps, Google will not allow all caps. It will reject your ad. जो हम ad copy बनाते हैं, उस ad copy को Google फिर से review करता है. In that review, if all the ad copy is in all caps, Google will reject your ad copy. So it's better not to use all the letters in the, you should not creating your ad copies in all caps. So whatever ad copy you will write, it will appear here. This is your ad preview. यहाँ साइड में जब आपकी ad दिखेगी तो कैसा दिखेगा, और टॉप में ad दिखेगी तो कैसा दिखेगा. This side ad and top ad, maximum headline can be of 25 characters. Whatever you have to provide, you have to write in the that headlines, and whatever description line to whatever you are providing. The purpose of this ad copy is to get maximum clicks. ad copy ऐसा लिखना चाहिए आपको कि जिससे कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्लिक्स रिसीव कर सके. Because people don't know you, people haven't visited your website, people are not aware about your qualities. So depending on your ad copy ही उनको compel कर सकता है कि वो आपकी ad पे click करके आपकी website पे जाए. So for that ad copy, whatever best you have, that you have to showcase in the ad copy. आपके पास कोई फ्री ऑफर है, इतना टेम्पटिंग ऑफर जिसको कि वो क्लिक ही करे, बिना क्लिक करे ना रह पाए, that kind of offers you have to provide in the ad copy. So you can use the free word, you can use the discount word, you can use that you can showcase your proof that 5,000 visitors have uses this product, or 10,000 subscribers we have on my website, or I have 2,000 branches all over India, or 50,000 BBAs has passed out from Westin College. So you have to give them some reason to click on your ad when you are writing the ad copy. So according to that ad copy writing is a very important skill that will make your campaign, or that can break your campaign. So if people are seeing your advertisement, आप बहुत you can see that कि आपकी ad का impressions बहुत ज़्यादा है, ad आपकी बहुत लोग देख रहे हैं, लेकिन click कोई नहीं कर रहा, आपकी website तक कोई नहीं पहुंच रहा. What does it mean? If people are clicking, if you are seeing your ad but they are not clicking on your advertisement, what does it mean? इसका मतलब क्या होगा? इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके एड कॉपी में वो प्रॉपर इंफो नहीं है जो कंपेल कर सके उसको क्लिक करने के लिए, राइट? So you have to make the ad copy, the sole purpose of ad copy flopso, exactly Satya, very right. So flopso है means बंदा क्लिक ही नहीं करेगा तो आपकी वेबसाइट पे कैसे पहुंचेगा, वेबसाइट पे नहीं पहुंचेगा तो कन्वर्जन्स कहां से होंगे? So during that analysis we'll look into that कि if the impression is very high but there is no low CTR means clicks नहीं हो रही है, तो we have to work on improving the ad copies. अगर इंप्रेशंस भी बहुत ज्यादा है, क्लिक्स भी बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है, लेकिन बंदे लोग वेबसाइट पे आ रहे हैं वो कन्वर्ट नहीं हो रहे हैं, सो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दी लैंडिंग पेज और आपकी वेबसाइट के कंटेंट लुक एंड फील पे काम करना है ताकि कन्वर्ट ज्यादा हो. सो वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम यू कैन एनालाइज ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. So right now we are just giving an example of ad copy. Free RO service in Noida. Call us for free RO service. Call us for free water test. To test, call us to test water free. Call at 9050 call at to call for water testing, for free water testing. Is it right? For free water test. So you have to use that all the characters. It's not necessarily all the characters. You may leave some characters. So, but you have to make that ad copy in such a way people should click here. So, get first RO service completely free. So this will be the ad copy. If you have to experiment, if you are happy with the ad copy, yes. So you can experiment with the ad copy. You can see the preview. This is the display URL and final URL. This is the difference between, what is the difference between display URL and final URL? Display URL means that the URL which will appear in this ad copy. So let's suppose my URL is www.arowala.in. So this is the display URL. And if my page is not ready, even I can have that display URL different. Free RO service. So this will appear. This should be aligned with the ad copy. ये जो आप URL लिखोगे, वो actually URL may not exist. वो URL हो सकता है exist नहीं कर रहा हो. But you can write it so that people feel that whatever they are looking for, they are about to find in this URL. So that display URL can be different and the final URL can be different. So my final URL will, let's suppose my final URL is my home page, that is arowala.in, and my display URL is arowala.in/free RO service. Noida, let's suppose Noida as well. free RO service Noida. So you understand the difference between which show below the title and final URL which redirects to. Exactly, Bharadwaj, very right, you have defined it very correctly. So display URL which will be visible to your user with your ad, and display destination URL or final URL on which the page will visitor will land. So it may be different or it may be same. It may be different or it may be same, but this will give you an opportunity to make your ad copy more attractive, more compelling. You may receive more clicks due to this by manipulating that display URL, right? So you can have that display URL and then final URL. If you have a mobile website, you have different URL for mobile, then you can provide the mobile URL. If your website have different version, mobile में m dot से आपकी website खुलती है, तो you can provide the mobile version as well. So if you have different URL for different ad, एक ad के लिए दूसरा URL है, दूसरे ad के लिए दूसरा URL, that you can select from here as well. So right now we are happy with this preview. Right now I assume that we are happy with this preview, and if you want that ad extension, you can add from here. If you have mobile version, then you can add from here. If you have different URL for different ad copies, you can add from here. So right now we are not going to do that. We are happy with this display or this preview. So are we happy with this preview? Are we happy with this preview? Yes, आप लोग yes ma'am बोल बोल के थक गए होंगे. That's nice. So nice of you. So now after creating that Shakis is happy. Yeah, that's new word. Yeah. So after creating the ad copy, what we will do, we will provide the target keyword. That target keyword is applicable only in AdWord or search marketing. Target keyword, add target keyword. Add target keyword. This option is applicable only in the search engine. It's not this option that add target keyword is not applicable on the Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. यहाँ पे applicable नहीं होता है. केवल और केवल सर्च इंजिन्स में ही एप्लीकेबल होते हैं, जहाँ पे लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं और उस सर्च के रिजल्ट के तौर पे आपकी वेबसाइट अपीयर हुई है, देन यू हैव टू ऐड द टारगेट कीवर्ड्स. सो लेट्स सपोज वी आर एडिंग सम टारगेट कीवर्ड. Let's find some target keyword from here. I'm adding RO service in Noida. RO service in Noida. If the service oriented keyword is there, you can select from here as well. RO repair in Noida, you can add RO repair in Noida. So whatever keyword you are selecting, you have to keep few things in mind. That keyword must have significant search volume. जो भी keyword आप ले रहे हो, उस keyword में significant search volume होना चाहिए. Next, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ business value होना चाहिए. Whatever keywords you are targeting, that must have some business value. That product you are providing, that services you must be providing. And third, that you should not be very tempting. Like you should not be very greedy. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि पूरे जो जेनरिक पूरे केवल आरओ को ही टारगेट कर ले. whoever is typing RO, your ad will start showing to them. Are you able to listen me? Are you guys able to listen me? Yes, it's gone for a second, I think. So okay, so whatever keyword, I will suggest to go for the exact keyword initially. When we are just starting the advertisement, we will target very conservatively. Very conservative targeting means we will target the exact keyword rather than the generic keyword. We can target the RO service. अब if someone is looking for RO service in Hyderabad, I cannot provide RO service in Hyderabad. I will not target the RO service in Hyderabad. So what we will do, we will do the exact, we will compile all the keywords which exactly we are providing, so that we can use our budget very cleverly. We should not waste our budget on the unrelated keyword. If someone is looking for RO job or RO repair job, my ad should not show to them. Or someone is looking for RO repair book, my ad should not show to them. Or someone is looking for some irrelated keyword, but they are including RO in RO service in that keyword, I should not be, my ad should not show to them. So initially what we will do very exact kind of targeting. We will limit our and as we grow, as our history will build up, we will analyze the performance of the keywords and then we will expand. जैसे जैसे हमारे पास हिस्ट्री जमा होते जाएंगे, आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द कीवर्ड वी कैन एक्सपैंड विद द मोर कीवर्ड. इनिशियली वी विल टारगेट विद द exact keywords only. So that a few more keywords you can add, and after adding the keyword, what we will do, we will select save and continue. There, after saving the continue, you have to provide the billing information. Next step is provide your billing information in every platform. Billing information. So until unless you will not provide your billing information, your ad will not display. जब तक कि आप क्रेडिट कार्ड डेबिट कार्ड की इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं देंगे तब तक ये एड आपकी डिस्प्ले नहीं होगी. दिस इज द पोस्ट पेड सर्विसेज. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट्स अ पोस्ट पेड सर्विसेज. मीन्स they will verify your credit card debit card information, but they will not deduct money until and unless your ad will run and click will happen, and then invoice will be get generated, and then they will deduct money from your account. But before doing that, they verify the credit card details by doing little bit of transaction, $1 or ₹1 ka transactions karke they verify that, then only they will allow you to display your ad. So once you are happy with that, once you are able to provide the billing information, you can run your ad. So right now, are you ready to provide the billing information? No. So yes, right now I will show you that if I will ask one of my clients that if he is ready to set up the ad, then I will show you how to provide the billing information. But it's very easy to provide. You have to provide all the details like your name, address, email ID, phone number, contact number, and credit card, and verifications details, and if you have a PAN card or TAN numbers. So you have to provide all the billing related information, then only you can run your ad. So right now I'm not very much sure that whether they are interested in running the paid campaign, or whether their website is ready for the paid campaign or not. So right now I'm not going to provide any billing information, but I hope you understand that what is this billing information, and I assume that you can add your billing information while running the paid ad. Am I right? Yes. So congrats, you have set up your first paid ad. Now confident you can run your advertisement on the Google. Google में अपनी ad चला सकते हो आप लोग. Yes, great, confident. That's nice. Lock कर दूं? Yes, thank you, Sakesh, thank you, Fahim, thank you, Bharadwaj, Satya, nice. So your lock kar do. Yes, thanks. So you have set up your ad. Now what you want? हमने ad तो सेटअप कर दिया. Ad I assume that कि मैंने बिलिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन भी डाल दी. अब मेरी ad स्टार्ट भी हो गई. But we have to optimize our ad on the regular basis. अब हमारे ad को जैसे जैसे क्लिक्स, इम्प्रेशंस, कन्वर्जन्स आएंगे, वैसे वैसे मुझे अपनी ad को ऑप्टिमाइज करना है. I have to look into that. If I have to set up a new campaign, कोई नया कैंपेन बनाना पड़ सकता है, कोई नया एड कॉपी बनाना पड़ सकता है, कोई नया एड ग्रुप ऐड करना पड़ सकता है, कोई नया कीवर्ड ऐड करना पड़ सकता है. जो कीवर्ड परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं उनको पॉज करना पड़ेगा, उनको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. नए टारगेट, नए लोकेशंस ऐड करने पड़ सकते हैं, या फिर नया बिडिंग कीवर्ड की बिडिंग चेंज करनी पड़ सकती है. सो यू वांट टू डू ऑल दीज चेंजेस ऑन योर कैंपेन. टू डू ऑल दीज चेंजेस यू विल गो टू द कैंपेन. After providing the bidding information, you will go to the campaign. So this is your campaign, right? So now you can see that what information you can see in this window. You can see that the campaign is your one campaign you have set up so far. So this is your campaign. Ad group is the collection of related keywords. Ad group means the collection of related keywords. So if you have one ad group, I have started RO service campaign. So I can create different ad group. For RO सर्विस इन नोएडा एक एड ग्रुप होगा, RO सर्विस इन दिल्ली अदर एड ग्रुप होगा, RO सर्विस इन गुड़गांव अलग एड ग्रुप होगा, RO सर्विस इन फरीदाबाद अलग एड ग्रुप होगा. सो एड ग्रुप इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड कीवर्ड्स. So it's suggested that you can add as many keywords in one group. It's not, there is no restriction as such, but it's good idea to have a minimum 5 to 15 or 20, maximum 20 keywords in one ad group. जब हम ad group से related keywords, like suppose the free RO services in Noida, so all the 15 whatever keyword I'm going to add, all the keywords should be related or should around this free RO services in Noida से ही related होने चाहिए. So you should not be targeting let's suppose buy Kent RO. If there is a keyword buy Kent RO, so for buy Kent RO you should have other ad group or other campaign. You should not be targeting buy Kent RO to that ad group. It's very obvious things कि कोई बंदा सर्च कर रहा है buy Kent RO और उसको नीचे दिख रहा है, उसको नीचे जो एड दिख रहे हैं वो फ्री RO सर्विस के दिख रहे हैं. तो आप अगर केंट का आरओ लेना चाहते हो तो आप आरओ की सर्विस का एड देख के क्लिक तो नहीं करोगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी ग्रुप द सिमिलर कीवर्ड इन वन एड ग्रुप. आरओ सर्विस के सारे कीवर्ड एक ग्रुप में, बाय आरओ के सारे कीवर्ड्स एक ग्रुप में, स्पेयर पार्ट्स के कीवर्ड एक ग्रुप में, मेम्ब्रेन है तो उसका अलग ग्रुप में, लाइक हाउसिंग है तो अलग ग्रुप में, लाइक यू कैन हैव डिफरेंट एड ग्रुप फॉर द रिलेटेड कीवर्ड्स. So you understand that ki ad group should have related keywords. In one ad group there should be related keywords. That related keywords you can see from here. This ad group mein keywords you can see from here. So right now we have selected these two keywords, right? So if you want kahin pe bhi agar keyword add karna hai ya ad group add karna hai ya campaign add karna hai, everywhere you will see this plus sign. So let's suppose I am adding more keyword. So they will ask you कि ये जो keyword आप add करना चाहते हो किस ad group में add करना चाहते हो. So right now I have only one ad group. I am selecting it कि I want to add in this ad group. और इस ad group में आप कौन सा keyword add करना चाहते हो. Let's suppose I am RO service. I'm collecting keywords from here rather than selecting from here. RO service. Now I want to keep Kent RO service related RO service in Noida. I have selected Kent RO service in Noida. I am able to provide Kent RO service in Noida. So I will select Kent RO service in Noida, and one keyword in one line, one key phrase in one line. Let's suppose Kent RO purifier service. I am selecting this keyword. You can have more keyword. RO service in Noida, RO service Kent, RO service Kent, RO service. You can go for down RO service center. So you can add RO service center, RO service center in Noida. So these are the exact keyword. That way you can add as many keyword as you want. So yes, got the point? Yes, we have done it exactly. So you can add as many keywords as you want. In the same way, you can add as many ad group you want. You can do any kind of changes. You can change. You can see that settings. You can do the changes in the settings. जो campaign setting करी थी उस campaign की setting में कोई changes करना होगा. There you can go and change the in the settings कि campaign का नाम क्या है, settings. If you want to उस campaign को pause करना है, remove करना है, enable करना है, campaign का budget change करना है, daily budget change करना है, language change करना है, network change करना है, start date change करना है, end date change करना है, that scheduling change करनी है, devices change करने हैं, that you can do from the setting options. You can create ad, नया ad यहाँ से बना सकते हैं, नया ad group बना सकते हैं, नया campaign बना सकते हैं. Now targeting options यहाँ से देख सकते हैं. All these you can do from this dashboard. Now you have to keep exploring this dashboard. Where you guys have gone? I'm not able to see you. Just a sec. I'm not able to see you guys. I'm not sure whether we have found. Here is the question pan.
₹1200 की कुछ चीज करनी है, 1000 रुपये की, 200 रुपये सब्जी मिठाई लाई थी ना.
Hello guys, can you listen me? आप लोग सब लोग मुझे सुन रहे हो? I'm just unmuting anyone to see if you guys can listen me. I'm unmuting Nalini. Nalini? Hi Nalini. Hi Nalini. Nalini is not listening to me, so I'm unmuting Shakesh. Sakesh? Sakesh? Hello? Are you there? Are you? Yes. So you guys can hear me because I cannot see that question pan where you were writing. Yes. So I'm not.
Okay.
So you, it's all working fine. There is no problem at all. सारा सही चल
No
रहा है.
problem.
साकेश?
Ma'am,
All is going fine.
hello.
Yes. You guys can hear me fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm not able to see your response. So I'm just going through. I have opened one mute. I have unmuted Shakesh. If you have any issue, just let me know by voicing out. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm not able to see your response in that question pan where you were writing yes, yes, yes. So I'm just assuming if you face any problem, you will let me know about that. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. So just I'm giving you that dashboard. This dashboard will give you opportunity to do any kind of changes in the campaign. एक नया campaign add करना हो, ad group add करना हो, all the things you can do the changes from here. So remarketing is the next topic I will discuss in the next sessions. Remarketing we are not going to discuss right now. So we will discuss it tomorrow. Ad extensions we have discussed. So ad extensions you can add as many extensions as you want. All these are the list of ad extensions. Site link you can add site link, locations, call extensions, app. These are the things you can add into your ad. जो एड आपने बनाई थी टाइटल डिस्क्रिप्शंस और यूआरएल को बना करके जो आपने ऐड बनाई थी उसमें और जो एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन आप अगर ऐड करना चाहते हो यू कैन यूज द साइट एक्सटेंशंस so let's suppose I'm adding one site extension for now one we have already added एक तो हम लोगों ने जो कॉल का ऐड किया था do you remember
Yes, ma'am.
yes so we are adding one site extensions एक और ऐड करते हैं किस कैंपेन में ऐड करना है सो आई वांट गोइंग टू ऐड इन दिस कैंपेन डन then you will select the yes what you we are adding site link for this campaign and which site link is the extra url you have offer page url you have service page url you have contact us page url if you have any other url so you can add it as a site extensions let's suppose I have one url आई एम एडिंग एक तो आर वाला का होम पेज दिया है लेट्स सपोज आई एम एडिंग वन अदर पेज ऑफ द आर वाला लेट्स सपोज आई एम एडिंग दिस आर केयर पेज एज द साइट एक्सटेंशन यू कैन एड इट आपका ऑफर का पेज है आप उसको ऐड कर सकते हो डिस्काउंट का पेज है वो ऐड कर सकते हो हॉट डील का पेज है वो ऐड कर सकते हो सो यू कैन ऐड एनी पेज एज द साइट एक्सटेंशन सो यू कैन सेव इट right you understand how to add the extensions
Yes, ma'am.
yes so who is responding to me is it Sakesh or anyone else
Sakesh only, ma'am.
it's a Sakesh okay nice thanks so you can add extensions you can add keywords now the keywords whatever keywords you have selected here these keywords you have assumed that ki people will be searching for these keywords now, do you want to know ki exactly what exactly users are searching if you want to know ki what exactly users are searching that you can know from here search term you can add you can see search term when you will कीवर्ड के अंदर ये सर्च टर्म टैब पे जाओगे तो यहाँ पे जो लिस्ट दिखाई देगी दैट लिस्ट विल टेल यू कि एग्जैक्टली कौन से कीवर्ड को लोग सर्च कर रहे हैं आप किस कीवर्ड पे सर्च करके लोग आपके ऐड को क्लिक कर रहे हैं द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल दोस कीवर्ड यू विल सी हियर and the negative keyword let's suppose you want to add you want your ad to appear for the RO services but you don't want to you don't want now yes I can see your question pan back don't that I have don't that I want to remove my account what should I do Bharadwaj you want to remove the account adword account do you want to remove the adword account are you asking Bharadwaj? You are asking. You want to
Ma'am,
remove?
ma'am.
Okay, okay. I will show you how to remove the account. I will show you how to
Not
remove.
that one, ma'am. Just I gave an ad. That one I have to remove.
Uh, you have created the ad that you want to remove.
Yes.
Okay, so you have to delete it. What you can do?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the campaign and select the campaign and remove it. Right? Got the answer?
Yeah, done, but it's not working, ma'am.
Because you have only single campaign. So one campaign, if you are logged in into your AdWord account and you have created a campaign, at least one campaign should be there all the time. So if you have to remove the campaign, so at least one campaign must be there. And before removing the campaign, you must remove that ad group of that campaign. you can remove the keywords of that ad group. Its a structure is like that कि सबसे पहले जो structure है वो सबसे ऊपर top का structure is campaign. उस campaign के नीचे you have lot of ad groups. In ad group you have lot of keywords. So if you want to lot of background noise is coming, so I'm muting you, right? It's okay.
Yes.
So that structure is in such a way in adword structure is to run any ad. First you have to create campaign के अंदर you have to create ad group, and ad group के अंदर you have to create ad copies, and for these ad group and these ad copies you will select the keywords. So to show your ad on any keyword is the foundation, keyword is the building block, keyword is the main thing on which your ad is running. So to run a single ad, कोई एक ad भी add करने के लिए, एक ad को start करने के लिए you have to start with a campaign. उस campaign के अंदर एक ad group बनाएंगे, ad group के अंदर ad copies बनाएंगे, और उस ad copies के लिए हम keyword add करेंगे, right? Got the point? Nice. So to remove, you have to remove the inner level things, then you will be able to remove the upper level things. So are you confident that you can do changes on your campaign? आपने जो campaign बना लिया है उस campaign में जब चाहे changes कर सकते हैं? Yes, that's nice. So next thing, the very important thing, so if you want to add negative keyword means negative keywords are the keywords for which you don't want to show your ad. जैसे RO services तो है, but RO job के लिए I don't want to show my ad, so I can add negative keyword. So to add negative keyword I will select the campaign कि किस campaign के लिए मुझे negative keyword add करना है, किस campaign में किस ad group के लिए negative keyword add करना है, and then we will provide the negative keyword. Let's suppose job and books or jobs, these can be negative keyword for me, so I will add this as a negative keyword. So whenever someone will look for free RO service के साथ कोई भी word, अगर book, books, jobs अगर उसने add कर दिया तो मेरी ad नहीं show होगी. I have not what you are saying. Okay, no issue. So if you have to add negative, you understand the negative keyword. What is negative keyword? Can you answer me negative keyword? Negative keywords. Satya answer negative keyword. Bharadwaj, what is negative keyword? The keyword which is appearing with your targeted keyword. कोई ऐसा वर्ड है जो आपके टारगेटेड कीवर्ड के साथ तो आ रहा है लेकिन आप अपने ऐड उसको नहीं दिखाना चाहते हो, then it's the ad will not appear for them. Exactly. So that if these word will combine with your targeted keyword, your ad will not appear. Negative keyword means if these words will get combined with your targeted keyword, your ad will not appear. So this is your negative keyword. So keywords is the keywords which you are targeting. Negative keywords, when your targeted keyword gets combined with the negative keyword, your ad will not display. And search term is the user, what exactly user is searching. जो यूजर जब ये एड रन होगी, रन होने के बाद जो बंदा सर्च करके क्लिक करेगा तो किस कीवर्ड को सर्च करके आपकी एड को उसने क्लिक किया था उसकी लिस्ट अपीयर होगी. सो दिस इज योर डेली ऑप्टिमाइजेशन वर्क. सर्च टर्म को जाके देखना इज योर डेली ऑप्टिमाइजेशन वर्क. एवरी डे यू विल गो टू द सर्च टर्म एंड सी दैट कि वो जो कीवर्ड आप टारगेट करना चाहते हो that your ad is appearing for that keyword only. If you see that कि कोई ऐसा कीवर्ड से ऐड दिख रहा है जो उस कीवर्ड को आप टारगेट नहीं करना चाहते हो, या जिस कीवर्ड में नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, या जिस कीवर्ड में बिजनेस वैल्यू नहीं है, या जिस कीवर्ड से आप अपनी ऐड को ऐड शो नहीं कराना चाहते हो, you will add those keyword in the negative. If you will find some relevant keyword, you will add those keyword in the targeted keyword. So that is the daily optimization work you have to keep doing. Apart from that keyword may you have to do one more thing. There are 3 types of keyword. When you will click on that add keyword, that will show you कि ad में 3 आपके, you can have 3 kind of keyword. One is called broad match, exact match and phrase match. You can decide कि you what is the type of that keyword. So are you interested in knowing what is the keyword type? What are the 3 type of keywords? अभी 3 तरह के कौन से कीवर्ड मैंने दिखाए? Broad, yes, Fahim, right. Broad keyword, broad match, exact and phrase. Exactly, very right. You guys are here. I assume कि background में इतनी noise आ रही है, so you are just doing all mastis and you are not listening to me. So along with that masti, I'm happy that you are listening to me as well. So these there are 3 type of keyword. Broad keyword means when someone will search with that keyword in any order. Like if my keyword is RO services in Noida, so when I will select a broad match, so all the keywords related to RO services in Noida, best RO services in Noida, affordable RO services in Noida, cheap RO services in Noida. Some people are hurry to leave, so there is lot of disturbance. So 5 o'clock is the time now. 5 o'clock. As luckily we are able to complete the session. So let's celebrate. Let's have, yes, no, otherwise every day some kind of issues are there, so I should be happy that today we have completed the session. So just 5-10 minutes more, then we will wind up. Just let me explain this broad match and then we will wind up, right? So okay, nice, thank you. So broad match when we have keywords which appear on any combinations. RO services in Noida is your root keyword. If that keyword appear in any combinations, best RO service, cheapest RO service, worst RO service, or RO service in Noida with Kent RO service in Noida, or that if any combinations is combined with that targeted keyword, you want your ad to appear for all the combinations, then you will select the broad match. Exact match means when someone is searching exactly RO service in Noida in that order. Yes, fastest RO service in Noida. If you want to show your ad for the combinations of the keyword, RO service एक target keyword लिया, उस target keyword से related किसी भी combinations में अगर कोई search करता है, आप you want your ad to appear, then you will select the broad match. अगर आप चाहते हो कि नहीं आपकी एड केवल और केवल जो आपने कीवर्ड सेलेक्ट किया है उसी को कोई सर्च कर रहा हो तभी आपकी एड शो होनी चाहिए, then you will select exact match. So in this case, RO service in Noida, when completely someone type RO service in Noida, तभी आपकी ad show होगी. अगर वो कोई ये टाइप कर देता RO services in Noida, आपकी ad नहीं show होगी. So that is the exact match. And the phrase match is in that double quotes. Phrase match का मतलब कि the keyword will be the remain same, only RO service in, exactly Satya, very right, you have defined very right. It's a only RO service in Noida पे आपकी exact match में दिखेगी, and when fastest, lowest, worst, best, cheapest, affordable ये सारा add हो जाएगा, then it's a broad match. And phrase match का मतलब होता है कि no extra keyword, but whatever target keyword you have selected, that can appear in any order. So RO services in Noida में भी आपकी ad show होगी और Noida RO services में भी show होगी. RO services like that order can change, but there will be no extra word added in phrase match. So that is called phrase match. So you can decide for what purpose you want to show your ad. If you have enough budget or you have 100% confident कि इस keyword के किसी भी combination से मेरे target audience search कर सकते हैं, so then you will go for the broad. If you want little bit restricted things, then you can go for phrase. And if you want exact, you have a very limited budget, you are very particular about Noida RO services. Yes, exactly. Phrase match में your ad will show for the Noida RO services as well. सो दैट यू कैन फ्रेज में आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और एग्जैक्ट में केवल आरओ सर्विसेज इन नोएडा पे ही सेलेक्ट होगा. देयर इज वन मोर टाइप ऑफ कीवर्ड दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रॉड मैच मॉडिफायर, जो यहाँ पे शो नहीं हो रहा है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रॉड मैच मॉडिफायर. ब्रॉड मैच मॉडिफायर का मतलब होता है व्हेन यू विल ऐड प्लस साइन जस्ट बिफोर द any word. Let's suppose you are adding plus sign with just before the service. So what does it mean? ROD fetch. What does it mean? ROD fetch. Rod fetch. Bharadwaj, I'm not getting. So broad match modifier. I'm talking about the word is okay. Broad match modifier. BROAD broad MATCH match modifier. This is called broad match modifier. Yes, broad match modifier. When you will select any keyword, when you will put up a plus sign on a just before any word. So what does it mean कि सारा word तो as it is रहेगा, service का कोई भी variations होगी तो आपकी ad show होगी. So RO service, RO repair, RO services, RO, so that misspelling of any services or synonyms of services. So even that your ad will appear for that. So that is called broad match modifier. So these are the different keyword types. You can decide which keyword type you want to target. And next little bit of conversion things is remaining in this sections. Do you want to do the conversion now or you want to do it tomorrow? Almost we have covered the brief introduction about the AdWord. There are so many things you can go and explore yourself. A few things I would like to show you more about conversions and analytics integrations. So if you are in hurry, let's wind up. If you want to do it tomorrow, we will revise it tomorrow and then we will wind up tomorrow. AdWord. Is it okay? We will also show you some display ad network. Display, I will also explain a little bit of display tomorrow. Okay. So let's for today. I'm going to wind up. We are going to wind up tomorrow. We will revise little bit of search ad, and we will cover little bit of display ad and that conversion tracking and the Google integration of the Google Analytics. Yes, Satya, I'm just giving you in after winding up this. I should mail you because here it will go. So many content will go distracted. Can I know your email ID? Satya, what's your email ID? Okay. Okay, so Satya and Shakesh, both of you want the content to be submitted on the uh, off-page activities. So I will share the content with you in next 30 minutes, 30-40 minutes. Is it okay? Okay, nice. So I think Faheen, I have shared the URL in which all the session I have uploaded, isn't it? Now onwards, I will upload this session with the name AdWord so that you have a little bit of idea. This fine. This is the URL which I was talking about, where you can get all the recording. it may you may have to little bit explore it ki which recording have what topic. So that you can explore. Now onwards, I will try to give the proper heading of each recording. I will go and if time allow, I will see recording and give the proper heading. So what topic I have covered in that recording. So it will help you. Fine, fine, is okay. WordPress.com. Bhardwaj, it is, what is it? What is this, Bharadwaj? Line of work. Okay, you have work on this page. I'm not getting, Bharadwaj, what they are asking me user ID password. So you have to remember your user ID password. Whatever user ID password you have decided while creating this WordPress account, you have to provide the user ID password to log in. Are you listening? Hi, hello.